All right, when we talk about intervals, we're typically going to be talking about the way that two notes work together. So you just have to learn to count the relationship between the two notes. Eventually, we're going to be talking about quantity and quality, but for this first section of generic intervals, all you need to worry about is the quantity. So what are the numbers between them? So that means you have to know how to read the notes in a clef. So A and D. So I start with the bottom note always, A, and I count up. A, B, C, D. So that's a fourth. I click fourth. All right. Next one, I have an F, and then I have an E. F, G, A, B, C, D, E. So that's a seventh. You just use your fingers and you count it out. I have a C and I have a G. C, D, E, F, G. It's a fifth. Okay, now eventually you could try to take shortcuts like, okay, it's a line, and if I went up another line, that'd be a third, and then it's a space above that, so it's a fourth. So you can kind of count lines and spaces. So like here, if it's line to line, it's going to be an odd number, but if it's line to space, it's going to be an even number. So line, 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 or so line, line would be 5, space, 6. Space, space, third. Line, line, third. Okay, so that's another way that you can think about it, but it's very important that you don't get wrapped up in harmonics and that you look at what is given to you. This is definitely a third. Even if this were F sharp and A flat, it'd still be a form of a third. So F, or A rather, A flat and C sharp, it's still a form of a third. So looking at the quantity only, it's very important.